a difficult time playing games on your mobile devices? Introducing GameOg G+. Enjoy your mobile games like PC games. Plug in your keyboard and mouse, connect your phone through Bluetooth, and you'll be good to go. GameOg G+ is compatible with many different devices and works on different keyboards and mice. And it supports most of the major mobile FPS games. Having difficulty aiming your target on a tablet? Using GameOg G+, aim and shoot at lightning speed. The keyboard and mouse will also help you control your recoil and free look and sprint. You can also call out cursor with a simple click on the mid button. Create custom key mapping with GameOg G+. Win the game the way you want. Bluetooth 4.0 lag-free connection will never let you down. And GameOg G+ is small and lightweight, so you can carry it wherever you go. GameOg G+, the ultimate hub for your mobile games.
Introducing the MonsterX, the most powerful and portable power station you can bring with you wherever you go. With the MonsterX, you can plug and charge the devices that used to be charged on a wall outlet. But now, you can take the outlet with you. The MonsterX support to charge input and output at the same time. With 2 USB ports and 1 Type-C port, you can easily charge up to 5 devices at the same time. On the top of the MonsterX, there is a 10-watt wireless charging panel. Just put on your phone and it starts charging. There is a Type-C port and a micro USB port that can charge the MonsterX. You can always find the right cable to charge it. With 2 USB 3.0 ports, you can plug in all kinds of devices and charge them. The speed of its power output is up to 1000. The MonsterX can adjust and set up the electric current to reach the maximum speed of charging, and it will never overheat. The MonsterX is also small and portable. Simply take it with you and you will never run out of power. MonsterX. Charge anything you need.
Do you know? Oh man, you look so cute today. So cute. What? Tired of your phone running out of space and having to search for photos to erase? Don't want to pay the monthly fee just to keep your photos in the cloud? Introducing HyperCube, the easy photo backup and media access solution for your smartphone. HyperCube is a tiny device that connects between the charger and your phone. Once connected, it automatically backs up all the photos and videos from your smartphone onto a micro SD memory card or USB drive, all while charging your phone at the same time. You can disconnect anytime and backup will automatically resume when you reconnect. HyperCube works with any iPhone and Android smartphone. It also works with tablets like the iPad Pro. Get instant access to photos, movies, music, and work files from any USB drive or micro SD via the HyperCube. HyperCube works as a USB flash drive so that you can easily transfer data with your computer. You can get HyperCube for only $29, which is less than the price of 3 months cloud storage. There is no subscription. You own the device and the photos. So stop paying others every month to keep your photos. Get HyperCube and start owning your photos today.